At RevX Wellness, we deliver the most reliable and powerful cold plunge systems that deliver the cleanest and coldest experiences.
At the core of our product offering is our patent-pending 3-part system, which separates the water pump and filtration from the chiller. Doing so allows us to incorporate larger, stronger components that are accessible for service and future upgrades so that our customers can buy once and enjoy the product long-term.
We're one of the world's greatest because we are on a roadmap to deliver the most powerful and reliable cold plunge system in the world, and we're doing it.